Bhí Joyce chofir fis joog tús an saoil seo. Agus ba iad a clán bun agus spár gach aonrad de Joyce.
The alarm was raised after Mrs. Quinn failed to return home after locking up the family shop. The people of Milltown have been shocked by Mrs. Quinn's disappearance. This morning they joined with Gardaí and the Defence Forces in a search of the area. That search is continuing.
Bhí fatís an ach bhí fearg an freisin. You know, there was this righteous anger that women genuinely felt, you know, what is this? That you can't go outside your front door without, you know, some random man might be violent against you and take your life.
When somebody dies like that, it takes away their personality. It takes away the goodness, the decency, and I want Mum to be remembered for the person she was, not how she died.
And when a brutal attack like this occurs to a female, we take it as sort of personal because we have family, we live in the community, we are part of the community. We have grandmothers, mothers, we have wives, we have daughters, we have sisters.
Bhí sin na chustaméirse seo a bhí aithnig Joyce agus bhí aithnig na Lanier.
I never thought that I would be covering a murder in the village where I grew up, where I lived, and where I would know the victim and where I would ultimately, as it turned out, know the perpetrator.
Bhí sé deacair do Joyce dul Harris ihe fuór dulcha gíread tátar an móthir agus fecinn tú córstan. Rudí ananta na turn do siab do.